It was a time when India was a free nation, when the British had abandoned us. The country needed a constitution for a smooth functioning, and little did they know that it was not an easy task.
India's future is in danger. Without a set of rules or a written constitution, we can't build a safe, secular country. I have to immediately make the drafting committee and tell them to make the constitution. PA, could you please pass me the list of best economists in India?
Sure, sir. Here's the list.
Thank you. Now please inform the four best economists in India to make the constitution. Tell them that they have to start as soon as possible.
Okay, sir. You can trust me for this work.
The PA informed the top four economists in India, who were B.R. Ambedkar, B.N. Rao, Surendranath Mukherjee, and K.M. Munishi. They all decided to be the drafting committee and assembled in a round table meeting. In the round table meeting,
Good morning, team. We are assigned to do a very important work which will affect the future of our nation.
Yes, first we have to study the crisis and common problems in India.
According to the studies, the unequal status of the people based on caste, creed, and religion will not be acceptable.
SC/STs and OBCs have to get equal rights and opportunities in matter of getting a job offered by the government.
numerous meetings were held and finally the constitution was made. Now creating a preamble and drafting the whole was a really big responsibility. Preamble is a short and crisp note which was included as the first page of the constitution.
Constitution is almost done, but not complete without the preamble. So, let's add a few words about the Constitution and make our preamble. We, the people of India, have solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign democratic republic and to secure all its citizens.
We may add some more phrases: justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, worship, equality of status, and opportunity.
And also to promote among themselves fraternity, assuring the dignity of each individual and unity and integrity of the nation.
I'd like to add few more verses to it. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
The constitution was widely appreciated by all political leaders and was signed by Jawaharlal Nehru and even by many more freedom fighters. In the president's cabin,
I really appreciate the work of drafting the constitution in such a small period of time, and this is said to be the longest constitution of India, and I would like to hear you as our father of constitution.
It's my pleasure, sir.
so like this, the constitution, India's longest constitution, was made. Thank you very much.